One day, a poor farmer found a bag of gold. What did he do next? Stay with me and you will find out. In this story, you will learn 15 new English words. Watch until the end and repeat the words after me. Let's begin. Long ago, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer. His name was Karim. Karim worked hard every day. He grew rice and vegetables, but he did not have much money. One morning, Karim walked to his field. The sun was hot. The road was long. Suddenly, he saw something on the ground. It was a big bag. Karim opened the bag. Inside, there was gold, many gold coins. Karim's eyes were wide. He was very surprised.
Who lost this bag? This is a lot of money. I could buy a new house. I could buy new clothes. I could stop working so hard.
But then Karim thought about the person who lost the bag.
That person is probably very sad right now. I must find them.
Karim picked up the bag. He decided to ask everyone in the village.
Did you lose a bag of gold? No, sorry, it's not mine.
He asked the baker, the fisherman, the teacher, and the flower seller. No one lost the bag. Then Karim heard crying near the river. He walked closer.
Hello? Is someone there?
A rich merchant was sitting on the ground, his head in his hands.
What is wrong?
I lost my bag of gold. It has all my money. Without it, my family will suffer. I am desperate.
Karim's heart felt happy. He held up the bag.
Yes! Yes, that is my bag!
Let's stop here and learn some new words from the story. 1. Gold, a valuable yellow metal. Example, she wore a gold ring. 2. Surprised, feeling shock because of something unexpected. Example, I was surprised to see my old friend. 3. Decided, to make a choice about something. Example, he decided to walk instead of drive. 4. Desperate, feeling very worried and needing help badly. Example, the lost child felt desperate. 5. Merchant, a person who buys and sells things. Example, the merchant sold silk and spices. Repeat after me. Gold, surprised, decided, desperate, merchant. Great. Now let's continue the story. The merchant took his bag of gold. He counted the coins. Every single coin was there. Nothing was missing.
You are an honest man. Many people would keep this gold for themselves. Thank you. But you searched the whole village to find me. How can I thank you?
He took out 10 gold coins and offered them to,
Please, take this as a reward.
Karim shook his head.
No, thank you. I helped you because it was the right thing to do. Your gold belongs to you, not to me.
The merchant was amazed. He had never met someone so honest.
You must let me do something for you. Come to my shop tomorrow. The next day, Karim went to the merchant's shop in the city. The merchant gave him new farming tools, seeds, and everything he needed to ensure a bountiful harvest. Use these to improve your farm. Thank you, I will make them proud.
And a small amount of money to start a new business.
This is not a reward. This is a gift from one friend to another.
Karim thanked him and returned to his village.
With the new tools, his farm grew bigger.
His rice and vegetables were the best in the village. Slowly, his life became better. Years later, Karim became a successful farmer. He had enough money for his family, and he still helped anyone in need. People in the village called him Karim the Honest. Whenever young people asked him about his success, he always said the same thing.
Honesty is the best path. It may not make you rich quickly, but it will always bring you good things in the end. The moral of this story is, honesty is always the best choice. Karim did not become rich by keeping the gold. He became successful because he was honest and kind.
Now let's remember the vocabulary, words from today. 6. Honest, telling the truth, not lying or stealing. 7. Amazed, feeling great surprise. 8. Improve, to make something better. 9. Gift, something given to someone, usually for free. 10. Successful, having achieved a good result. 11. Need, something necessary or required. 12. Village, a small group of houses in the countryside. 13. Reward, something given for good behavior or hard work. 14. Belong, to be owned by someone. 15. Path, a way or route to somewhere. Also, a way of living. Let's say all 15 words together one more time. Gold, surprised, decided, desperate, merchant, honest, amazed, improve, gift, successful, need, village, reward, belong, path.
You did it! Awesome job!
Great job. You just learned 15 new English words through a story about honesty. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video and subscribe to StoryWise English. Every week, we bring you new stories to help you learn English. Write one sentence in the comments using any word from today's list. I will read your comments. See you in the next story. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show.